Hey loves, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. We're going to be doing one brand affordable skincare because you loved my last affordable skincare haul. We're going to do it again. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. Alright you guys, I'm super excited to be partnering with Good Molecules for this video. We're going to be talking all about my favorites from this brand, as well as telling you all about the exciting Black Friday sale that they have going on. It's like the one time that you're going to get a huge discount for 4 days on this already really great, clean, very effective skincare, but yet they're also super affordable, but you're going to get an even bigger discount. So today is all about Good Molecules. And again, I'm going to talk through my favorites. I'm actually going to tell you a few ones I use in the studio as well, okay? And I'll tell you how to use them. So Good Molecules is doing a Black Friday festival. And I just have my little notes just to make sure I don't get anything wrong. It's a multi-online day sale event. It basically runs from November 26th through November 30th. And it's really cool because they are featuring artwork from local artists out of West Africa. So I think that's really awesome. This is, if you don't know, Good Molecules is a science-based and science-backed skincare brand. It's clean and it's extremely affordable, and I love that because you can still get really great results and what you're looking for, but it is really great at prices, which is what we all need right now. So make sure you check the description box. It has times that it starts on and times that it ends, just so you can get your favorite products without them all selling out. There are two exclusive Black Friday festival deals. One is the BFF exclusive drop, which is a skincare mini fridge. Let me show you. Look how cute she is. It's so gorgeous. You know I really love a good skincare fridge. This is where you can keep all of your like Guasa tools, your jade rollers. I like to keep my vitamin C in there, ice globes, anything like that that you want to keep fresh or cool. It's also a great place to put in their caffeine eye patches, and that'll really help diminish any puffiness and any swelling that kind of happened during the nighttime. So that is great, and you get that mini fridge. So the price of that mini fridge is only $15, and it's a $60 value, which I love. And then there is 25% off site-wide, and then 30% off bundles. And there's also free gifts with purchases. And of course, you guys can see more details in the description box. All right, so let's talk through one of my favorite cleansers. You guys always ask me what my favorite cleansers are, and this one has probably been one of just a couple that I have been religious with. So this is a brand new one that was just sent to me, and this is the Good Molecules Rosewater Daily Cleansing Gel. It's a beautiful cleanser. It's very gentle. You know I have dry skin, so I can't use anything super harsh or anything stripping. I have a tendency to use this morning and night. It does not strip the skin. It doesn't leave it feeling tight or anything like that. It's just a really great, gentle, general cleanser that I think would work for all skin types. And again, you've heard me talk about this one before. I talked about it a lot. This one you've heard me talk about as well, which is their cleansing balm. And I love this because they actually changed the packaging. It used to be in like more of a glass jar. This is now in a tin, and it comes with a little scoop, so that's awesome. This is just one of those really great cleansing balms. So if you are into doing a double cleanse, this I do actually use in my studio because it really, really effectively removes any dirt, debris, and especially if somebody comes in and is wearing makeup. It's really safe for the eyes. It doesn't cause any kind of clouding. I absolutely love this, and you've heard me talk about this a million times, and it's super, super gentle. So great for all skin types for sure. And then using those two together really is a beautiful combination. And then I'm going to go in the way that you would use them in your routine, okay? Now, again, it's like a broken record. You guys have heard me talk about this. This is the Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder. This is a very gentle powder exfoliant. It's enzymatic exfoliant. So you can actually put this in your hand, put a little water in it, make it up into like a soft foam, and then exfoliate your skin after you have done your first wash. And it really is fantastic at removing just a very gentle surface layer. It helps with texture, but what I also love about this is that it's formulated with vitamin C. And so you can leave this on the skin just a little bit and then get a little more penetration from that vitamin C. The granules inside of here are actually rice, okay? So they're not going to be harsh or make micro abrasions in the skin, things of that nature. But I do love that it has some vitamin C in there, so you can wear it with just a real quick flash mask, which I love. All right, now these two I actually are a little bit newer to me, and I have been really enjoying this. Now I know a lot of you guys want more of these kind of two-in-one products where you get more bang for your buck. So this is the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. This is gorgeous. So what you do is you put it on a little pad and then you put it all over the face. Now, what I love about this is it does have niacinamide in it, and it does have vitamin C as well, and it does have albuterol and licorice root. So this is going to be your all-in-one pore control as well as brightening any hyperpigmentation. The reason being is because it does have a nice dose of vitamin C as well as arbuterol in it. And so this is really easy. It's very gentle. I have not had any issues with it. It just feels really soothing and great to the skin. So if you don't want so many steps in the morning, you just wash, you know, if you want to exfoliate a couple times a week, pop this all over the skin. You got your niacinamide, you got your vitamin C, and then you're on to the rest of your day, your moisturizer or whatever you want to use. This does say that you can use it AM and PM, so it is gentle enough to use twice a day. It just depends on your own skin type, right? Or your own skin tolerance. Now this one you guys have actually talked about, so this is exactly how this would go if you would like to do it. This is their Discoloration Correcting Serum. The reason why I also love Good Molecules is that on a lot of their boxes, they give you the breakdown of the exact percentage of what each ingredient is in there. Their transparency on ingredients is fantastic, and you know they're a cruelty-free brand. But this is actually a little reformulated. This is a newer version of what you guys have been talking about. I love this. This is a very beautiful, effective, hyperpigmentation, skin overall brightening, overall skin tone helping serum, okay? And again, on this, you can see all of the amounts of what is in this bottle. It does have great hydrating ingredients in it, like glycerin. It does have niacinamide in it. Now, this is something that I want to read you because I found this to be really cool. Now, if you remember a couple of videos ago, I talked about a newer ingredient that has not been talked about. The ingredient is tranexamic acid. That was in the original one, and they actually replaced it with an enhanced version of this ingredient. And that ingredient is really amazing for hyperpigmentation. And I know a lot of my family members, my squad members, deal with hyperpigmentation. So I love that they have put in a new version or a more formulated or elevated version of that ingredient. They're always innovating, so that's what I also love to see them kind of making some adjustments. They also took out the PEG 60, which I love, as well as a few other things, and then replace them with obviously cleaner ingredients. You just take a couple of drops, put it right over your niacinamide toner if you would like, and then you can go into my last and final favorite product. Now this one is something that I personally use, and I do use it quite a bit in my skin studio, and you've heard me talk about this as well. This is the Silicone-Free Priming Moisturizer. This is a moisturizer and kind of a primer in one. It is, again, as the name says, silicone-free, which you know personally for me, I try to keep out of my skincare routine as much as possible. It is formulated with shea butter as well as macadamia nut seed and plant-derived silicone alternative. So it still will give you that kind of smoothing appearance to the skin that silicone does do, but it doesn't have that in it, which I really love. All right, and so then when you're using this in your routine, you're going to put this on like you normally would a moisturizer, massage it into the skin, but you want to let it sit for just a few moments, like brush your teeth, go get dressed, let it kind of do its thing, and then you can put SPF on over it. And that is kind of the best way to apply this, since it is kind of this hydrating blend or hybrid moisturizer and a primer together. So just an FYI on that. It's great for all skin types, but where I lean more into it is definitely more for your combination to drier skin types. Again, of course, it's going to be good for oily skin, but that's where I find it to be really, really more of effective like hydrator as well as that smoothing primer. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please scroll down. All the details are below. Get in on this Black Friday deal. Definitely it's time to stock up on some very effective skincare for a great price. So just scroll on down below. Thank you all so much for being here, and I'll see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.